Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall applications from your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of the TV, let's navigate to this 3 square and a plus icon to open the list of apps we have installed on this TV. Then if you want to see the entire list, select App Library. Now here, select Installed on this TV. And what we have to do to uninstall an application is basically press the menu button, so the button that you see right here on your screen, once we have selected an application, and then download and then select the uninstall option. Confirm by clicking uninstall, and after that the application will be deleted from your TV. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.